There's a new horizon in your mess. There's a new horizon out of that storm that you've been in for so long. 2013 is gone, people. 2014 is here now. The sun is shining in your life. The Spirit of God is now ready to be moved in your life. Why don't you not commit yourself back to the Lord?